Let's make this cute hair accessory. For this we require a 3 mm hook and Ganga Olivia yarn. Let's make a slip knot and start making chains. Here I am making 8 chains, but you can make more or less depending upon the size of the clip. Skip one chain and start making single crochet in all the chains. In the last chain, we will be making 3 single crochet. Here I am marking the first single crochet in the last chain. Add 2 more single crochets in the same space. Now continue making single crochet till the end. I have reached the very first chain, so here I am going to make 2 single crochet. Mark the first stitch and make a slip stitch in the first chain to complete round 1. For round 2, start by making a chain and make single crochet up to the stitch mark. Remove the stitch marker and make increase in the next 3 stitches. Increase means 2 single crochet in 1 chain space. Here again we are marking the first single crochet. After making increase in the 3 stitches, I will mark the last stitch as well with the stitch marker. Continue making 1 single crochet in the remaining chains up to the stitch marker and again make an increase in next 3 stitches and complete round 2 by making a slip stitch. To move on to the next row, we will again make a chain and start making single crochet up to the stitch marker. And here at the stitch marker, I will make 1 single crochet and in the next chain I will be making 2 single crochet, that is increase. Again in the next chain 1 single crochet and then increase. Now again continue making one single crochet up to the stitch marker and then repeat the same. One single crochet increase, one single crochet increase and one single crochet increase and complete that round. Also weave in the ends. To add the border to this base, I am using a different color yarn. Start from anywhere and then make 3 chains, skip one chain and in the next chain make a slip stitch. So this is going to give you a border design. Repeat the same till we complete the entire base. After the base, now let's make the bud. So for the bud, we are going to make 4 chains and then start making 4 double crochets in the first chain. Now insert the hook in the first chain and pull it out this way to make it a popcorn stitch. And again we are going to make 3 chains and slip stitch in the first chain. I am using B7000 glue directly on the clip, but you can also use a felt sheet like the one shown here. If you don't have B7000, you can also use Fevikwik. Like, share and subscribe for more such simple, beginner friendly and do along tutorials. Thank you.